Give it up for Cross.
Mixed with so many emotions. Beautiful people, a lot of nice people are here, so I'm getting to understand everybody. My experience so far has been good.
I can see why Walker. Where do you go to be your best friend?
So you give me 2 minutes.
I try not to carry things over to the next day. Why would I want to get older when I still want to be a baby boy for life?
I don't know if I was a good father, but take care of yourself, okay?
Everywhere, choke. These are even did all of them. No wonder they shout cross.
Super Commando Man is Cross.
Let me go and prepare.
DJ, drop that beat. Let's go. I'm the best. I can go for it. I'm really, really happy.